I'm making munggo, bean sprout. Bean sprout, toge. So, I soak this one for 12 hours overnight. Then, I'm going to put this in here in the container. But the container, I have to make hole in there. I will show you. Okay, day 2. Day 2 for my experiment of bean sprout or mungo beans. Day 2. I have to wash them every day 3 times. And some of, ayan, day 2. Oh, gonna have bean sprout. Look at this. Starting to have a bean sprout. So, another container, I experiment it. I made hole in there. So, let me open it. We have to wash them also. Ayan. Starts growing. Ayan, this is day 2. So, I'm gonna wash that. Then wash the cloth also. And this one too. Look at that. Day 2 yet. Actually day 1. Day 1. Because yesterday, I just started putting them in the dark place. So, this is day 1. Day 1. Day 1. So, we'll see in day 3 if it's getting bigger. So, to be continued, guys. Here we go, guys. Day 3. Day 3 of our bean sprout. Wow. Day 3 of our bean sprout. It's growing. Look how it pushes up. It pushes up. Let me see. Look. It was from here, the bottom. Now it pushes up. Day 3. Wow. Day 3. Sa ating bean sprout. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Where's the other one? The other one. Wow. Day 3. This one in the container. Wow, look at that. So, we have to water them 3 times. Because this is the day 3. Ayan guys, ating bean sprout. Day 3. Hello guys. Day 2 of my experiment. You have to put this in the dark place. So for me, I put it down there in the basement and I cover it with black plastic bag. So as you can see, my experiment day 2. Day 2. Day 2 of my experiment. And we have to wash it. Take out the cloth. Let me see in day 2 what it's look like. Wow. So day 2, so I have more. Look at the bottom. The roots. So let me put that one first because I still have more there. First I have to put this one there. The second, oh, it start to growing out here or out. So day 2, let me take out the cloth. So we have to wash them, water them, not wash them, but water them. Oh, look at that. This one is long, not long enough. You see right here, it's getting there. So it's growing. So day 2 of our experiment for bean sprout. Day 2. So we'll see in day 3 if it's gonna be rapid growth. So this is what it's look like in day 2. So we have to water them and wash the cloth. So during watering, you have to just leave that cover there. Let me see the other one. I have 2 more down here. This one here, I put it in this container because I have plenty of container like this. I make a hole in the bottom and look what it's look like. So let me remove the cloth. Let me see. It seems like we're gonna harvest a lot of bean sprout. It's growing. So ayan guys. So in order for that to wash, I mean not wash but water them, is day 2. Day 2 we have to wash them 3 times or water them 3 times. But to water them 3 times, we have to just let the water run. We're not gonna soak it. Just let the water run. So ayan guys, that's our day 2. This one seems growing fast also. So day 2. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, and then I'll show you more. Oh, for washing it, I mean soaking it 3 times because right now it's kind of it's dry, the water that covered, I mean the paper that's covered. So you just have to do like this. Leave the paper there. So that's 1 round. 1 is full. So that's 1 round. And drain. Then another round. Let it drain. Then another round. So that's the third time wash in day 2. Now, the cloth of this, we have to wash the cloth because it's, it's being soaked there or being there for a whole night. So you have to wash them. Make sure there's no smell or so. So wash them. Then squeeze them out of the water and then put it back. And then put it in the dark place like what I did here. I put it this one and covered it with plastic bag and put it in a dark place. Thank you for watching. Day 4 of our experiment. So watch. Inside here. What do you think's inside here? So, watch and see. Day 4. Ooh, look at that. It's raised up. Tumaas. Tumubo. Wow. Day 4 with our experiment. Teka guys. Ating day 4 experiment. So day 4 sa ating experiment, still moist with the paper. Wow. So I'm gonna use one, and this one here I just leave it here. Because if I take this out from the dish, then it's not that fresh anymore. Look, my leaves na. Oh. Pero, look at that. So, let me check the other one. Let me bring the other one. The other two is this one here. This one I have to make a hole. I have plenty of those, but then tingnan ko dito. So, kasi 4 kasi ito sila eh. This one right here. And the other one right here. So, I'm excited. It's like Christmas. Christmas in my kitchen. Let me see. Da-da-da-dan. Da-da-da-dan. Oh, this one is not really grow taller like this one. This one is seems like let me see. I can leave it here for this one. So, then, yan yung roots niya. Wow, beautiful. Let me see the other one. The other one. Oh, wow. I have bean sprout. Togi. Yes. Yes. I've got a lot of togi. Bean sprout. Nag-sprout ang beans. Alright guys, that's my bean sprout experiment. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.